I don't recommend going here. Only if you have motion sickness. But overall, na-enjoy namin ang Isla de Gigantes tour. We went to 4 destinations. It's supposed to be 6, but due to the high tide, malakas ang alon and it's not safe to be there. It's the Tangke Lagoon where you can swim and cliff diving, and the Bantigi Sandbar, which you can't see at all due to the high tide. We booked our tour with Gigantes Islands Travel and Tours. May iba-iba silang packages, and we availed 2 days and 1 night tour with free breakfast before the tour, and have a lunch with unlimited scallops, rice, and coffee. Yes, you heard it right. It's unlimited for only 2,099 pesos. It's a 2-hour drive from Iloilo City to Bangkal Port in Caroles, and since we want to enjoy and have a rest before driving back to the city, we spent another night and we paid extra to the transient house. Bibili na namin yung gamit sa taas. Also guys, if you come here, please don't expect a 5-star hotel kasi wala talagang ganun dito. It's more like pension house, transient house, lodging, mga ganun. Meron ding wifi. So, wifi? Check natin mamaya kung VA-friendly ba siya. We have free water bottle, tissue, soap, shampoo, and conditioner. Fairness, meron silang toiletries. Malinis naman siya, guys. Hindi ka naman magsastay dito kasi diba, mag-ano ka naman, mag-island hopping ka naman. So, hindi siya mainit kasi may aircon. Meron silang tuwalya, also the CR. Guys, may bidet sila. And then shower. Pinakaabangan ko yung internet. Doon natin masusubukan ang ating pagiging resourceful. Super haba nung biyahe. Like, 2 hours. So, VA-friendly daw, guys.
Mbps.
Oh. VA-friendly daw dito, guys. So, punta na kayo dito sa Isla Gigantes, guys. If you want. VA-friendly. And I hope na sana maganda yung weather tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
I really hope so. Guys, mag-work na ako mamaya-maya. Update ko kayo sa internet ulit. Quick update, I was able to work last night, but if you're traveling in provinces like this and you have remote work like me, I don't recommend that you realize internet connection ng accommodations nyo. If you can bring your own, much better. You can also use your mobile data here. They are fast, and we are using TM and Globe. Hi guys, good morning. Kahit na magamit ko. Breakfast na kami maya-maya. Meron ng view sa likod. Today mag-island hopping na kami sa may Isla Gigantes. Grabe yung alon. But as long as hindi ko nakikita nagpapanik yung mga tour guide, it's okay. Tingnan naman kung gaano kalinaw yung tubig.
Linaw ng tubig, man. Ay, pag-asa. So yung pag-asa natin mamaya.
Hi guys! Lakas ng alon guys! Oh my god! Super lakas! Kala ko katapusin ko na. Our first island, it's called Pulupandan Island. Super cute lang na island to guys. Ang gagawin nyo lang dito is mag-picture-picture, tapos sa tubig, and magpahinga ng konti kasi 30 minutes lang kayo dito. Guys! Isa pa lang to guys, may 4 pa. Ay, 3.
May 3 pa.
Okay guys, 30 minutes lang na stay dito sa island. Tapos balik na ulit sa bangka. And then, punta na ulit sa ibang lugar. Next island is the Lantangan Beach. Dito tayo kakain ng unlimited scallops, seafood, unlimited rice, and coffee. Pagdating nyo guys dito sa Lantangan Beach, meron na agad nakaprepare sa inyong table. And then, all foods are for sharing and unlimited scallops.
Share kayo yung sa bilao, abot-abot na lang. Yung kanin pag naubos, refill tayo. Yung scallop na steam pag naubos, refill tayo.
Grabe. Busog na busog ako sa scallops, guys.
Ilan yung nakaya mong scallops?
Ang daming scallops. Hindi ko na mabilang. Tsaka crabs, guys. Tapos merong baked scallops.
May lempo, may okra.
Shanghai. And then fruits. I don't recommend going here during the season. Ang alon, guys. Grabe, ang taas. Lumilipad kami sa dagat. Mas maganda daw pumunta dito, guys, pag March. Summer. Pero pag ganito, sobrang alon. Hi guys! Nasa Cabugao Island tayo. Hindi kompleto ang Isla Gigantes nyo kapag wala kayong picture dito. Promise. Alam niyo saan tayo mag-picture? Doon sa taas. Pwede na ba? All I can say is 10 out of 10 sa staff and sa mga tour guide because they really try their best na lahat kayo makapagpa-picture dito sa taas. We're up to the last island. Madami daw dito guys, merienda. Si Urchin. So, tikman yung si Urchin. Yung si Urchin guys. Daw kasi yung alon. Kaya hindi sila nakasisid. Swimming tayo guys. Let's keep swimming! Umalis na kami ng Carles. We're on our way to Baratas Nuevo and kahanap kami ng mga kainan. Kahanap kami ng Hansi.